So we picked up the shirts this morning, which if you guys haven't seen them, there's the limited shirt. This was Tom, this was your first day seeing this as well, wasn't it?
Yeah, oh yeah, it looks sharp.
Right, so this is, the medium has a little logo there on the front.
Yeah.
So I was just getting the last ones folded up. We got 100 of them total. These are all the orders that have already been placed before I really put a video out on it. Just sent a little email. So I don't think these are going to last too long. I'm not a professional shirt folder. But there we go. Just finished up folding them.
Oh, you folded all those? Oh, I thought they came like
They were
that.
here like doing an email, and I'm just like folding shirts for 2 hours. And it's just, I'm just done with shirts for right now. So done folding shirts. I got to figure out how to fold this thing up. Thank goodness for this thing. But what it doesn't do, it always hangs off the edge, and it never works the way it should.
I can't figure that thing out, but you got it down. This looks great.
Good. All right, so I told everybody I would do shout outs, so we're gonna get to those a little bit later in the video because we got to look at some HiFi gear because I have something to show you, Tom.
Okay.
Yeah, something that happened actually yesterday. There was an update, and if they watched yesterday, they already sold this. But if not, you guys got to check this out. So there was an update to the EverSolo.
Oh, really?
Right. So you see, we already did some demos this morning. We had somebody come in. John came in, picked up an Audio Technica LP8X and a Parasound XRM. So we do have a few of these left in stock if you're looking for a good photo preamp. But anyway, VU meters. Should probably turn the music down.
Oh, sorry.
Hold on, let me get my coaster. Where's the coaster? All right. Just gonna, bam, delay. It's the best remote in the world. So yesterday, this was the last meter they added, right? They added this one,
Ooh.
right?
Okay.
It's a volume
Interesting.
meter, and then this one. Ooh.
Oh, wow.
It's very like Vice City.
That's cool.
So Super Miami 80s. I love it. I'm excited about that.
I did see that because I was showing John the XRM, and I saw that meter. I was like, I don't know if I've seen that one, but no, I didn't realize that was new. So
yeah, all the time, new meters all the time. So me and you today have to figure out what we're taking to Expona. We haven't prepped it all yet. We're both like fighting headaches, trying to get through the day. We got tomorrow. We'll probably have some customers in tomorrow. We've been busy already this morning. So I gotta get the shirts mailed out. We gotta do that. Then we gotta figure out what gear we're gonna take. And I kind of showed everybody yesterday like what we had, but I really don't know what exactly we're gonna take with us. So we'll see. We're doing the affordable HiFi, affordable audio zone at Expona. So maybe we grab some of the TAC and some of the Audio Lab and some NAD stuff or something. I don't really know.
Cambridge.
We got the Leak. We got the Cambridge. I didn't even think about the Cambridge. The Edge stuff is on like really good deal right now. We're picking up the AccuPhase from Dave. We'll bring the Luxman that we're doing a giveaway for. Hey guys, the giveaway is ending soon. Go to alleateaudio.com and sign up to try to win that 505 that's over there. So see, over there.
Can I zoom? Oh, I shouldn't be zooming.
You can zoom. It's this one right here.
Yeah. Oh, hey. Okay.
I don't know what that looks like, but so everything's still kind of like half cleaned up, half not cleaned up. We keep digging through that room to try to find stuff. We did get, I know we got some Soundburgers in here.
Oh, Soundburgers are fun.
Right?
We're like, what is a Soundburger?
Usually the Soundburgers, they're the Audio Technica portable turntable. And all I've seen available lately has been black. But we actually got some white ones and even one or two, actually just one or two white ones, yellow ones. So I'm pretty sure these have been sold out for a while. I could be wrong.
Black is like the least popular finish for those. Everybody gets the colored ones.
Everybody gets the colored ones. So we do have some of those. They'll get on the website. And lots of turntables. So if you're looking for a turntable, we got a lot of open box demo ones. We got new ones. Especially if you're looking for 120s, we got the wall of 120s. I think there's maybe 55 120s total between Bluetooth and regular. So then we got all the Leak stuff. I want to get the Leak stuff out because we got the TrueStream. All right, I got it. Sorry, the headache is kicking. We got the TrueStream. We're gonna hook that up with the CDT, the Stereo 230. We got Sandwich 150s. So we're gonna have the whole Leak system, which is kind of exciting.
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll see. We've got these Got these Kef LS60s here that we haven't unboxed yet or unwrapped yet.
Mm-hmm.
The only thing we did unwrap was the Elysians.
These are looking good. It is a beautiful looking speaker.
Oh, yeah. Now there is the Luxman DO3X. It's a recently discontinued model. They just came out with the DO3R, the newer one. But we had one of these as an open box and it just sold. So shout out to Benson who got it. You are going to love it, man. I just talked to our customer who bought the other one we had, and he said it was just a night and day difference. He's even using it as a standalone DAC with his Blue sound, and it's amazing. So congratulations. I'm going to get that boxed up now to go out to you. And look, guys, if you're looking for a really nice CD player, and or even to use as a DAC as well, I do have one of these left. It's not on the website yet, but it will be soon. So if you're interested, you're just going to have to call us on that one. But there is the Luxman of the DO3X. Get a good, quiet drive. You get your digital in, your phase invert. They have really nice controls on the Luxman. Very heavy duty. And the screen looks good as well. So there it is, DO3X. You're going to love it, man. You're going to love this CD player. Tom, Greg's going to be happy.
What, for the shirt?
No. Other Greg.
Oh,
yeah.
the D10X.
The D10X is here.
Wow. We haven't had a D10X in this building.
No, that's not true. We have. I saw one a couple weeks ago.
Oh, to Garrett?
Yeah.
Oh, that went through here. I thought that was right. Okay. Well,
Yeah.
Never mind. The second one.
Came through. I packed it up as heavy as anything. Yeah, you almost played an April Fool's joke on Greg, didn't you? Did you tell him?
Well, I had a bunch of just very devious April Fool's jokes. I was going to tell him we got it, and then once he drives over and picks it up, I was going to say April Fool's, but that would have been too mean.
But the funnier part is he actually showed up that day.
He did show up.
Yep, and
Yeah.
we were like, man, we were going to get you.
Mm-hmm.
But we sure didn't. So there's the D10X from Luxman. It's such a good deal on that if there's any even left. Since they have the new Centennial Edition coming out. Did you add that to the system yet?
No,
Is it the L100 or L1000? I don't remember.
It's the D1000.
Yeah.
I just read the email.
Oh, I was doing the L100.
Correct.
So yeah, the D.
Is it the D100? Dude, I gotta double. I literally just glanced at it. But
Yeah.
I learned a lot about products actually making the website listing. So.
Yep. So there we go. D10X. If you're looking for one, the price just went down, and there's not many left.
Probably got like one.
Oh yeah, they only had like 3.
It's like a 50% chance they have one left.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure they told me they had 3, and since then we've sold 2.
That's right.
So.
Catching you guys up to speed, we are boxing up for Expona right now. Tom is very angry at the Flyers.
Dude, no, not the Flyers. The Flyers are great. It's ref. What's his name? Beach? Something Beach? It's ref. If you watch it, if you're a Flyers fan, you know what I'm talking about. God.
Apparently this ref did not like the new young prospect in his first game and just treated him bad. And
Thinks he's like the star of the NHL.
yeah, that referee star of the NHL. Anyway, we are getting everything ready for Expona. We have a new stack of boxes here. So we moved all the other stuff that was from the other day when everything came in on the truck. Now we're stacking all Expona stuff here so that over the weekend we will be ready to load up Monday morning. Spencer's going to help me load up, and then we're going to I'm going to go pick up Tom. Tom is wandering around with the magnetar, trying to figure out what to do with it.
I've seen this remote in my mind's eye. Oh, there it is.
I just had it sitting on top there. There you go. So we're getting a couple things boxed up. A lot of stuff we already had boxed up. What you looking at? That odd?
Does this go like in the bottom?
Yeah, just like that. That's how the magnetar goes. Goes in there and little pieces. You can leave some pieces behind, and we're not shipping it. So.
Yeah, somebody.
Oh yeah, somebody wants to buy it. That's true. So there's 2 little pieces of foam go on the sides. Yep, and then just put the bag on top. So we got a lot going on. Packing up the Advanced Paris. So these 2 are going with us over here. And then I think we have to pack up the T8. We already have a Z10. The T8 with those new meters Oh, yeah, look at that. That's going to be packed up as well. And then we stacked some of our gear over here. It's going to still out on the floor. We're trying to get everything off the floor, but it could take a week or two. We got those LS60s from Tef. We also got those Monitor Gold 200 speakers that just came in with all the accessories. Some Kef Reference 1 Metas. Really good speakers, yep, with the stands over here. They're buried in there behind all the other crazy stuff. And some of the other bigger amps that we didn't get a chance to unbox yet. So that's all over there. We're still going to pack up all the albums. We're bringing all the albums, guys. So, bringing those. I wish we could bring the rack, but that'll take up too much room unless I break it all down. I don't know if I feel like doing that. So this is kind of emptying off. I'm using this shelf to take pictures of all the trade-in or the used stuff that we got from the other company. We got just put out these TX AP505 and the AX505 matching separates, preamp and amp, and then got through my first couple pieces of Audiolab 6000A, 6000 CDT, and the DC6 that power block there. Very cool. So we're getting through it a little bit. Also got a stack of headphones that we're bringing to the show, and then I think we're just going to bring all of the Audio-Technica cartridge. Probably won't bring the display, but I think all the cartridges we're going to bring with us, because that's good grab and go stuff, right? Same with all the ISO acoustics. We're gonna take all that. They've been hot since we got those in. Especially the Aureas have been doing really well. The Gaia Neos also just killing it. I mean, killing it. And we got to pack this guy up for the giveaway. We're not drawing it this weekend during Expona. We're drawing it, I think, the following week. I think I said like the 17th or 18th. It's a reverse unboxing. You're reboxing. It's a I like that Cambridge paper padding.
Looks like this.
Yeah.
It's a very unique. This looks like it should be in like an art museum.
Very interesting. That seems very abstract.
It's an
That's exactly right. Taking a little Cambridge. We'd love to take all the stuff that we have like deals on, but we're not going to do that. We're going to leave that stuff here. We're going to bring the stuff that represents all the brands that we're selling right now. Now I'm going to leave these two AccuPhases behind, but we are picking up the E4000 from Dave when he gets that E5000 that we have. So this shelf's a little mess. You know, John came in earlier, picked up the LP8X that we usually have right there. So I had to order some more of those. We just got, you know, it'll get back together. But this should be a fun week. So I'm going through this pile of Audiolab right now, getting that stuff opened up, pictures on the website, so that you guys can be up to date. Here's what we have out so far. Some of this is on the website, some of it's not. Some of it's on eBay like the Kanto, and Tom's waiting for me, so I'm going to go.
Take your time.
All right, it is now Saturday, and we have everything. I think this is everything we're bringing, almost.
I got a few stuff I'm bringing too for my setup.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. So we have a representation of our brands. Not going crazy. We got a bunch of guys we got to bring. Filled a box with the cartridges, so that rack is totally empty. And I finished up putting out. This is all on the site.
That's a nice
Audiolab 9000s, Audiolab 7000s, and the Audiolab 6000s. They're all on the site, as well as the Omnia and the TX. Haven't done the NADs yet. We have the whole room of NADs over here. They're kind of covered up, but all that NAD, pretty much one of every model. Short shout out time. All right.
There's a bunch of shout outs.
A bunch of shout outs. So Dave, buddy, thanks for the big box of shirts. So we got a couple for you. We got one for Joseph, Kevin, Robert, Michael. There could be duplicate names here, but you know who you are. Baruti, he's local. William, Blaze, Abby, Rick, Charles, our buddy Curtis. Our buddy Curtis got one.
Nice.
Greg, another one of our buddies. Eric, The print on these are a little smaller, so you gotta give me a minute. Thomas,
Not me.
Floyd.
Nice.
I just got off the phone with
There
Floyd.
you go.
James, and Steven. There were no duplicate names. That is
Wow.
unbelievable.
There you go.
So that was day one before we really announced the shirts. I don't think the shirt announcement video is going out till tomorrow. Today we released the video of where we got all the stuff. So that's super exciting. But yeah, thank you guys for your day one pre-orders of all the shirts. We still have some left. There are some, I think we only have one 3X left. That one's over there. Only one of those. Couple mediums. But large, extra large, 2X, we're still stocked up on, but plan on those being sold out by the end of next week after Expona. So get your shirts while they last. They're really cool though. So
Do
I
I get
already
one?
showed you earlier.
Do I get a shirt? Can I pick out a?
You get two.
Oh, okay. Nice.
2 extra larges. I put them aside for you,
Oh,
and for
thanks.
me, and for Spencer.
Nice.
I might have put one aside for Ricardo as well. I don't remember. But if not, we can still do that. And Dave, I got some for you when we bring you your E5000. So, but for today, that's all I got, guys. I'll see you next time.